Good morning, everybody. It is April the 24th, 2019, and it is 6:38. All right, here we go. Overnight while we slept, there was a 5.0 South Sandwich Islands at 6 miles in depth that came across on the Usgs, and EMSC followed 32 minutes later. There was a 2.2 Southern California, 14 miles northwest of Ludlow, 1 mile in depth. There was a 4.2 Guerrero, Mexico at 3.1 miles in depth. A 4.9 Halmahera, Indonesia at 68 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 near the coast of Ecuador at 23.6 miles in depth. A 4.2 off the shore of Usgs, Mexico at 8.0 miles in depth. There was a 4.9 Philippines that came in 19 miles east of Santa Maria, and that was at 37 miles in depth. Guys, that started out with EMSC putting up a 5.0, upgrading it to a 5.2, then downgrading it to a 4.9 when Usgs reported it. There was a 4.6, Russia off the east coast at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.2, the Strait of Gibraltar, it was in Spain, Gibraltar in Spain at 3.5 miles in depth. 3.6, Peru, southern Peru at 6.8 miles in depth. A 2.3, Southern California, 6 miles northwest of Big Bear Lake at 3 miles in depth. A 2.1, California, Nevada border region, 4 miles east of Mammoth Lake, that came in at 2 miles in depth. A 3.6, Chile, that came in at 60.8 miles in depth. There was a 2.8, Greece at 4.9 miles in depth. A 4.3, Papua Indonesia at 9.3 miles in depth. There was a 3.2 Chile at 25.4 miles in depth. There was a 4.8 Chile at 30.5 miles in depth. Only one other earthquake center said it was bigger than that, and that was the GFC. And I don't have room to put that one on there, and they had that at 5.2 miles in depth. 5.2 at Chile. All right. There was a 2.5 Central California, 17 miles northeast of Soledad, and that came in at 5.5 miles in depth. Now, if I can get this all on there with the links I have, I will put the GFC Chile one up. Guys, that's all I have for this morning. God bless. Be safe. Have a wonderful day. You know, you guys, you're just totally awesome. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day. 2 thumbs up for you. Thank you so much.